What is happening? I just wanted to show you this little bitty modification I did to my trailer just now. Little history of this thing. I bought this trailer off Facebook Marketplace. From what I could tell, it was an old welding trailer. Came with this job box on it. I never kept anything other than some pieces of wood to chalk, motors or four-wheeler tires or whatever, right? And then just a few ratchet straps. It was in the way. It took about 2 foot off the total length, 12-foot trailer. I only had 10. Thank God it's easy math because I'm not a mathlete. Ended up going with this little 26-inch Husky plastic toolbox. That's plastic. That's plastic. Should work. We'll see. That's literally all I had other than that wood that's in there in that giant work box. It's all I ever keep in there. I don't know why this is here. I was going to do something with it. I forget. I just put it in there. Extra light bulb for the trailer lights. But that is it. I'll clean that up. That's terrible. It's a train wreck, but I just wanted to put it in there and see how much room I had. That's all I had in that giant toolbox. So it's not necessary. I don't use it for anything. It's taking up room. Probably just going to sell it, But this, super easy little thing to do. Self-tapped it with some, put some washers on there. To the frame, it'll lock in place. I'm hoping that stays, pretty good. I'll probably end up putting a little carabiner right there just in case. But that's really all I needed to do. At first I thought I was gonna weld something on the bottom of that, but I'm not gonna put anything heavy in it, so I shouldn't sag. And I mean, it's big enough, it fit right there. I didn't have to, I could scoot it up close to the, close to this handle on the jack, and so that this top opens up and stays open. I could have moved it back a little bit. It would have run into that angle and not stayed open, which wouldn't have been bad, but I didn't really have to. So that's pretty cool. It's not gonna go anywhere. That sucker's gonna stay right there. Should be somewhat weatherproof. If I end up having to drill a couple small holes in the bottom of it later on because it gets water in it, then I'll do that. Not a big deal. It's a $25. With tax, it was less than $30 for that right there. You can get some steel ones, some steel toolboxes, trailer tongue toolboxes and all that shit for, $100, $200, whatever, if you want to get fancy and get some diamond plated one or whatever. But I mean, I'm not keeping anything in there that needs to be locked up. I don't know, 5 or 6 ratchet straps that just stay in there that are dedicated to this trailer, just in case, So if somebody wants to come up and open this toolbox bad enough and take some busted old, beat up oily ratchet straps, then if you want them that bad, I guess they're gonna take them, right? So that's all I'm gonna keep in there. And it's a pretty decent little modification, if that's what you want to call it, to a trailer. Pretty stout little toolbox. And it was easy. It was easy. I was gonna weld a bar. I actually had to cut a piece of channel off of this thing. Why it was on there, I don't know. Homemade trailer. I believe it was a welding trailer before I bought it. I cut a bunch of crap off of it that was, that probably held up oxyacetylene hoses and different welding hoses and stuff like that. Anyways, the only thing I think of while it was there, maybe an extra support, but I mean, if you're gonna have this thing heavy enough for all that support, I mean, you're probably doing something wrong. It'd probably honestly fall through that old wood before it, put that much stress on this and started, causing problems. Anyways, easy little toolbox, you know, upgrade. I think it's an upgrade. Yeah, it's smaller, but I'm gaining 2 foot to my trailer. I'm actually going to be able to use all of my trailer now, and the exact same amount of crap that was in there, I'm relocating to that small little space. So just something I thought I would share. If, like I said, if you think you want to do something like that, storage, and you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on one of those specialized ones, it's going to work good. I believe it's going to work good. If anything happens, I'll end up editing this later on down the line and going, hey, don't fucking do that. So, all right, appreciate it.